Howdy, howdy. Little home cooking going on. Ridiculously late. But didn't get to cook it last night because I got in at 8:30 then also. Tonight it was 8:45, but at least I already had a shower. Got on my bit with the slow cooker and the beef and so forth. I mentioned my kind of goulash, which this isn't even normal for me. But I took a pound of ground beef and crumble fried it in there, drain a little bit of grease off into a jar. This doesn't come from a store, so it wasn't injected with water and excessive pork lard, so it's real nice. I put some little bit of Mexican oregano in there, some thyme, some turmeric, cayenne, and then I also put some black pepper to help the turmeric work better again as an anti-inflammatory. I put a good bit of garlic powder in there. That's healthy, plus it helps keep the mosquitoes away, especially if you don't eat too much salt. Salt attracts them. And then I put a little bit of dehydrated onion in there because I didn't have any fresh onion. Then stirred it, let it cook a little bit more, dump the drained can of green beans on top, and put the lid on it, and let that get heated some, then stirred it up, let it get to cooking. And that's just not regular sweet corn, that's actually cream style corn, so of course they put a little bit of sugar in it, but it's kind of saucy like in there. It's going to taste real good, I do believe. And then the herbs and so forth I put in there are a number of things that help our body when it needs a little assistance for immunities with things causing problems. So that's why I like to use them. I even use that on my scrambled eggs. I scramble up in a glass dish, and then push a piece of ham in there in the morning, just lunch meat, and then push it down in so the eggs over it. Throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes because it's 2 eggs and 1 little slice of ham or sliced turkey meat. Put that lid on there 2 minutes, put it between some flour tortillas, and go sit down. Anyway, just a little something quick and easy that somebody can do for themselves or whatever for some home cooked good food. No salt added other than what was in the canned goods. If you use frozen vegetables and put them in there right away, then you don't have any salt, any preservatives, or of course if you got fresh vegetables available. But none of that stuff from the fast food joint or whatever, or who knows what's in it sometimes at other places. So, and if it's not clean, well, it's because it's my own doing. So, have a good one. Thank you all. And time to eat.